Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This procedure resets the service reminder on a VW Golf for after maintenance or oil change. Start with the vehicle stationary, parking brake engaged, and ignition key removed. You will use the instrument cluster buttons and 3 key positions. No diagnostic tool is required for a basic reset. The service light usually appears at 10,000 km or after 12 months. So confirm that the oil and filter were replaced and that the mileage and date are documented before continuing. Turn the ignition to position 1 without starting the engine, then press and hold the trip reset button for 10 seconds. While still holding the button, turn the key to position 2 so the dash illuminates fully. Do not start the engine. Watch the display for the spanner symbol or a change to 0000 and for any flashing indicators. When the service indicator shows 0000 or the spanner disappears, release the trip reset button and turn the ignition off to complete the reset sequence. If the spanner returns or the display does not show 0000, repeat the previous steps calmly. A weak battery or a blown cluster fuse can interrupt the reset. For persistent failures, check battery voltage and the instrument cluster fuse, or use a VAG-compliant scanner to perform an electronic reset and to program service intervals. Once successful, verify the cluster reads 0000, log the service with mileage and date, and note the next service due at 10,000 km or after 12 months.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.